body of your swaddle baby done, we're going to go ahead and work on the head portion. So you will want to make sure the body is nicely stuffed, and then you're going to get ready to attach the yarn for the head portion. In this first round of the head, we are going to work only in the front loops. So I'm going to insert my hook into the front loop only, here. And I'm going to attach the skin colored yarn I want. I'm using a light peach color. Pull through and single crochet. And we're going to be doing a single crochet increase all the way around. So in the next stitch, I'm going to go into the front loops again. And I'm going to do an increase here. I'm also going to tug in my tails and kind of carry them along. So this way you don't have to do too much weaving in the ends. All right, so here, I'm going to pull through, single crochet, into the same stitch, single crochet. This makes the increase. Go into the next stitch, and in the front loop only, you're going to make a single crochet. Go into the next stitch. Remember, front loop only, like so. And you're going to do an increase. So 2 single crochets in that very same stitch. And I feel that I've carried my tails enough, so I'm going to go ahead and snip off the white yarn that I was using for the main body color. And I'm going to continue working around with the peach yarn. So I've done the increase. In the next stitch, I'm going to do just a single crochet. And in the next, an increase. You are going to repeat this all the way around. Now I've gone all the way around this entire round here, and I'm going to go ahead and go into the next round of the head. For this part, I'm simply going to go into that first stitch without joining. We're going to keep working in the round. So here, for this round, I'm going to do single crochet single crochet 5 and an increase. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochets. And in the next stitch, I'm going to increase. Again, repeat that around. So 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the next stitch, you're going to increase. Increase by putting 2 single crochets in the same stitch. And you're going to do this all the way around, and that will give you 42 single crochets at the end of this round. And you'll continue following the body directions by single crocheting around those next few rounds, and we'll meet back to do the hair section.